We're here at Morningstar's newest process. It's our mechanical dryer. We focus on taking our tomato seeds and skins, which is produced from our tomato pumice process, and drying it down for service of our customers in the pet food market. All our tomato pumice that's produced in our factories is transported to this dryer via these trailers right behind us, and they're unloaded into our dryer system.
What we do is we take wet pumice from either the Las Banas facility or the Liberty facility or Williams facility. The folks in the control room unload the trailers. We auger it up to a free pass rotary drum dryer. The product goes one way, back, and then back out. Then from there to the cyclone. In the cyclone, the heavy product material and the dust goes off to the scrubber. The heavy particles, which is the pumice, the seeds, fall in the cyclone. From the cyclone, we convey it with a chain conveyor to the unload hopper, where we cool from approximately, say, 200 degrees down to about 140. There's 2 screw conveyors on the bottom of the hopper and 6 gates, and we're able to fill the truck up in stages. The operator picks where he wants to start filling and where he ends.
So once our product is dried, we dry it down to 10% or lower according to our customer specification. We take it over to a grinding facility where it's grinded and packaged. The mission of this process is to dry our tomato seeds and skin down to a moisture level to meet our customer needs. This system back here uses waste energy from our plant, captures it, and supplements our natural gas. So we actually are able to deliver our tomato pumice dried at a more cost-effective rate and with less impact on our environment. So the most unique attribute about our process is that we produce our product in line, from fresh tomatoes in the field all the way to a dried and ground product in less than 8 hours. So this vertical integration allows us a tremendous control over our specification. We're able to identify where your tomatoes come from. We're able to identify when they're grown. More importantly, we're able to identify the supply of tomato. We're able, and oftentimes, to give you product or make product available sooner than anybody else because of that amount of control. And we're also able to make sure that we follow through with our commitments on the supply that we say we'll have. We have complete traceability from seed all the way to your finished product here at the dryer. We're able to offer long-term supply, confidence of supply, and we're here to partner with our customers for the long term.